This video guide explains how to change the system language on your Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021. Whether you've purchased a used vehicle or simply prefer a different language, this process is usually straightforward. We'll cover different infotainment systems and potential challenges. The Skoda Fabia III features three main infotainment systems that determine how you access language settings. The Swing system offers basic functionality with a monochrome display, while the Bolero provides a color touchscreen for more intuitive control. The Amundsen system is the high-end option, including advanced navigation capabilities. The Bolero system uses a color touchscreen, making menu navigation and language selection more user-friendly compared to older models. The Amundsen system includes high-end features like integrated navigation, providing the most comprehensive infotainment experience in the Fabia III lineup. Regardless of the system, the method for changing the language will depend on which one your vehicle has, with touchscreen models generally being easier to use. For Bolero and Amundsen touchscreen systems in post-2016 Skoda Fabia III models, follow these steps to change the system language. First, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. This powers the infotainment system. Next, locate and press the Setup button on the touchscreen display. Navigate through the menus, select Settings, then System, then Language. Choose your preferred language from the list and confirm the selection. The system may prompt you to restart for the changes to take effect. Remember to perform these changes while the vehicle is safely parked. For Swing systems, typically found in 2014-2015 models, use the rotary knob to navigate the menu. Use the rotary knob to navigate the menu. Access the car menu, then Settings, and finally Language. Select your preferred language using the knob. This system relies on physical buttons for navigation. Some users experience language resets after battery disconnection or software glitches. Ensure your firmware is up to date, though official updates are discontinued. If you encounter issues, a dealer reset might be necessary, but can cost money. Check user forums for community-driven firmware hacks, but proceed with caution. When considering language changes in your Skoda Fabia III, keep these important points in mind. Older firmware versions may limit the available languages you can select. Models from 2018 onward generally support more languages, thanks to increased global exports. Be aware that unofficial firmware modifications could void your warranty or cause compatibility issues. For safety, always perform these changes while the vehicle is parked. Expert advice from automotive technicians indicates that changing the system language on your Skoda Fabia III is generally straightforward. However, always prioritize safety and avoid unofficial modifications. Technicians rate these changes as relatively simple, especially on touchscreen models like Bolero and Amundsen. The process typically involves navigating to Settings and selecting your preferred language. Importantly, avoid unofficial modifications or firmware hacks, as they can interfere with the vehicle's ECU and potentially void your warranty. These changes may also cause compatibility issues with safety features. If you're unsure about the process or encounter issues, always consult your vehicle's owner manual or visit a certified Skoda dealer. They can provide official guidance and ensure the changes are done correctly. Finally, safety should always come first. Perform language changes only when the vehicle is parked and turned off to avoid any distractions while driving. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change the system language on your Skoda Fabia III. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific instructions related to your model and infotainment system. Even though official support is ending, legacy guides will persist.